Good morning students. Hope you all are safe and sound. Today in this video tutorial I will teach you about our country India. In this chapter you will learn about the physical features of India, neighboring countries and all the climatic features of our country in detail. So let's get started. Students, our motherland India is a country of great physical and cultural diversity. In the north, it is bound by Himalayas. In the west, Arabian Sea. In the east, Bay of Bengal. And Indian Ocean in the south wash the shores of the Indian Peninsula. Peninsula means land surrounded by water on three sides. For example, India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So that's why India is also called peninsula. Southern India is called peninsula. India has a total area of 3.28 million square kilometers. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers and east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch in Gujarat is about 2,900 kilometers. And population-wise, it is the second most populous country in the world after China. Means China is at number 1 and India's position is second population-wise. Now I will tell you about its locational setting on globe. India is located in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through our country. It lies between 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitudes and its longitudinal position is between 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east longitudes. If we will divide the world into eastern and western hemisphere, India also lies in eastern hemisphere. Longitudinally, there is a difference of 29 degree between India's easternmost point and the westernmost point. The results in a time difference of about 2 hours between these points. To avoid confusion from this, the meridian of 82.5 degree east, which runs through the middle of the country, is taken as the Indian Standard Meridian, and the local time on this is adopted as the Indian Standard Time, means IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. Now I will tell you about India's neighboring countries. Students, India shares its land boundaries or borders with 7 countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, China and Nepal in the north, Bhutan in the northeast, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Students, Sri Lanka and Maldives are called our island neighbors. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak Strait. Now let's discuss about political and administrative division of India. India is a vast country. For administrative purpose, India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the national capital. States have been formed on the basis of languages. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. States are further divided into districts. For example, Jalandhar is the district of Punjab. And Haryana and Punjab have the same capital. That is Chandigarh. Means Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana also. Now students, I will tell you about 6 physical divisions of India. These are Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Great Indian Desert, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains and Island Groups. These are 6 major physical divisions of India. Students, you have to explain all the features in detail. So listen very carefully about each and every feature. First is Northern Mountains. Northern Mountains comprises of lofty snow-covered Himalayas. The term Himalaya is made up of 2 words. Him means snow and Alya means abode, means home. The term Himalaya means abode of snow. Many rivers originate from these mountains. The Himalaya mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. Northernmost is Himadri or Great Himalaya, which contain the world's highest peaks. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. For example, Shimla, Nainital, Dalhousie, Manali, Almora. The southernmost range is called the Shivaliks. It means Himalaya mountains are further divided into 3 ranges: Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. Next is about Northern Indian Plains. These lies to the south of Himalayas. These are formed by alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers. Indus, Ganga and the Brahmaputra are the main rivers here. And even their tributaries also form these plains. These are most extensive and well-drained fertile areas of the country. These provide fertile land for cultivation. These are densely populated, means large number of people live in the northern plains. People get flat land easily for building houses. Plains are suitable for cultivation. Roads and railway lines can be constructed easily. Climate is also suitable. Water and electricity facility is available easily. So that's why people prefer to live in the plain areas. In the next part, I will discuss deserts, plateaus areas, coastal plains and island groups in detail. Now, you will be able to find answers. Which are the major physical divisions of India? Even you can explain with how many countries India shares its land boundaries. How many states and union territories are there in India? Which states have a common capital? Why do a large number of people live in the northern plains? Listen this very carefully. Students, even follow the government instructions. Maintain social distancing. Always wear mask while coming out of home. You are very good students. Clean your hands, use sanitizers, and prefer homemade food. Keep 1 meter distance away from others. Use safe water and raw materials. Thank you, students. Stay safe and healthy and do the question answers in your fair notebook. Thank you.